This is a YouTube channel called M Crime, and they make police body cam videos from the state of Minnesota. They started posting only a year ago, and now they're getting 5 million views a month. And at a low $5 CPM, that means that they would be making $25,000 a month, or almost $1,000 a day from this one channel. Here's another channel called Code Blue Cam that's getting over 19 million views a month. And again, at a low $5 CPM, they would still be making $95,000 a month, or over $3,000 a day from just one YouTube channel. And we're just talking ad revenue. We still haven't gotten to the realm of high payout partners, which could potentially double these earnings. Body cam videos is probably the perfect niche to get started on YouTube as a faceless channel in this day and age, because of how little people know how to actually do it, so that there is a very low competition, but at the same time, the videos are getting millions of views and hundreds of thousands of dollars from just posting police body cam videos. What you guys need to understand is these body cam videos are super long, and people watch until the very end just to see what happens, which means it has tons of audience retention and tons of watch time, and that's why these videos do so well on YouTube. However, in this video, you will not only discover how to obtain and to make these body cam videos and make the most amount of money from them, but you will also learn how to use AI to heavily increase the chances of your videos going viral on YouTube. And hopefully, once you're making tons of money from this, you can go on sites like Upwork and actually pay a video editor to completely make you videos just like this.
Do not trigger me.
Had your opportunity.
I need this.
Getting right into it, as you can see with Code Blue Cam, they have over 2 million subscribers and 250 videos, and they have a very simple profile picture, a very simple banner, and a very simple username. And so we can simply do this too. On ChatGPT, I'm gonna ask it, make me a list of YouTube channel names for a police body camera channel, and I'm gonna hit on enter, and now it's going to make me a list of names such as Cop Cam Chronicles, Body Cam Beat, Law Lens, On the Beat Cam, Justice in Focus, Patrol Perspective, all of these names, Cops in Action, Patrol Watch. I really like the name Justice in Focus, so let's pretend that's going to be the police body cam channel that I'm going to be starting within this video. And then you can make the channel artwork yourself, or you pay someone a couple dollars on Fiverr or Upwork to make it for you, or you can use Midjourney by simply typing in Imagine and say YouTube profile picture for a police body cam channel, and then high quality, and Midjourney will actually create it for you using its AI image generation. I really like this one on the top left, so I'm just going to upscale that one right there, and now I have a profile picture for my channel along with a username. Next, what we want to do is we want to find news stories specifically in the United States that are recent in the past 2 years involving police. So I'm going to type in man is arrested by police, and then we're gonna try to find news stories specifically that are kind of on the funnier side, so that it's harder for them to get demonetized on YouTube, because if it's a more sensitive subject or if it's a more graphic subject, they're gonna be demonetized basically instantly. Now, almost instantly, I found an article that says man arrested charged after stealing ambulance and hitting police car in Goldsboro, North Carolina to be exact. So now that I know that it's Goldsboro, North Carolina Police Department, I'm actually going to their police page right here, and I'm going to look for some contact information, specifically an email. Sometimes there's information or online form to request body cam footage on the police website, but for the most part, you're going to have to email them. And so this is where this comes in handy. Right here, we have a request body cam footage outline that you guys can get in the description below that we've made completely for you. And all you have to do is just fill out these sections right here every time you send them an email. Make sure you actually fill out this information and don't just simply send them a news article link, because then this will really help them be able to get you your body cam footage. And this is why we're specifically looking for police activity in America, because of the Freedom of Information Act, where you can request police activity and other sorts of information just like that. But I do have to inform you that sometimes these police departments require a small fee to actually retrieve this body cam footage for you, because of locating it, blurring anything, removing anything insensitive, etc. But don't worry, because because as you make money from your police body cam videos, this will be a drop in the bucket of your content, and you will make tons more money than you will ever spend on retrieving police body cam videos. As well as there's tons of libraries online of unedited police body cam videos. It'll just take you a little bit more work of piecing it together. As well as be aware of these states right on the screen right now, because they actually require you to be a resident of the state to request body cam videos. But I've also heard that states like Wisconsin and Florida have super easy Freedom of Information Act laws, so it's really easy to get body cam videos from those states. Another tip is try to get as much footage as you possibly can, because the longer the video, the better your watch time will be, because people really do stick around and watch the entire video. I'm serious. Now here I have a bunch of body cam footage of an incident that I'm borrowing for an example, and I'm going to be using V.io to edit this video. Now here's the information of what actually happens in this body cam video, and I'm going to use this to create an intro for the video. But here's the thing, I'm not going to spoil anything from the video because I want people to watch until the very end to see what actually happens. So on Veed, I'm going to head over to text right here, and I'm going to hit on headline title at the very beginning, and I'm going to start typing out the situation. So I'm going to say on January 14th, 2022, police were dispatched to a reported altercation of a fight. And I'm actually going to change the style of this so it pops out more. So I'm going to change it to something like this because I feel like it looks a lot better. I'm just going to change that background to black. There we go. Stretch this out a bit, put it in the middle. And then for this next one, I'm just copying that, and I'm going to change this one up to make it add more context. So I'm going to say, as soon as the woman discovered she'd be arrested, she became uncooperative. There we go. And then now what I'm going to do is go from text to audio right here, and I'm going to make this into a text to speech by copying and pasting these in. There we go.
On January 14th, 2022, police were dispatched to A.
On January 14th, 2022, police were dispatched to A.
So I'm going to use that text to speech, but I can also clone my voice if I wanted to as well. But for this example, I'm just going to use Jason's voice, and I'm going to do that with the next one just as much. So I'm going to hit on generate, and then I'm going to match up this text with the audio right here, and then I'm going to do it with the next one.
On January 14th, 2022, police were dispatched to a reported altercation of a fight.
Then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to split this right here and then lower the volume of the video so it isn't so distracting. Just lower that down to maybe like, 30-ish%, and then we're going to check that one out.
On January 14th, 2022, police were dispatched to a reported altercation of a fight. As soon as the woman discovered she'd be arrested, she became uncooperative.
And then right here, now I have my video continuing. And this is where we're going to want to start piecing it together. So as you can see, I have tons of video, and I'm just going to want to make sure that this is in the correct order right here. So we have the police looking over the CCTV footage right here, and then they eventually ask her right here if she wants to press charges.
About charges.
So that's the perfect order. Now once they discover that she wants to press charges, they try to arrest the woman. So I need to make sure that's right next.
What's that?
I'm not talking to anyone.
Okay.
That's why I'm leaving.
Okay, well, we need you to just come talk to us.
So there we go, that's next. And then I'm going to want to make sure that they have the part where they're actually escorting her out, which is right here.
Okay, hold on, that's why I got everything else because I'm leaving.
And then I'm going to want the part where they're putting her in the police car, which is going to be the next part right here.
Okay, can you just put that down for her?
Why?
So that you can have a seat in the car?
I can sit down with it.
No, we need...
And then eventually she's in the police car, she gets arrested inside it, and she gets handcuffed.
Yes, we're putting you in handcuffs. Just go ahead and no! To me.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
No.
And then finally we get to the end of the video where she's bringing to the police station right here.
Nope.
Why?
Because you guys are
Cause what?
Because all of you are
We're not the police.
Who cares? We're gonna still take care of you while you're in here, okay?
Now what I'm going to do at the very end is I'm actually going to put in what she was charged for, and I could potentially also say subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to go back at the very end right here, and I'm going to write the woman was charged with aggravated assault, I believe. Whatever, we're just recording for a video. And I'm gonna say subscribe for more police footage. Just like that, and then I'm going to add the voice to that as well. Now, since I'm borrowing someone else's footage, it's already done for me, but if there's any swearing, it's best that you bleep that. If there's anything insensitive, you 100% need to blur that so it doesn't get taken down off YouTube or you get demonetized. But here's how you make extra money. Using sites like Digistore24 and ClickBank, you can actually insert a high payout partner somewhere in this video, an advertisement for something related to police body cam. So it can be something like a security system, a dash cam, something that makes you a lot of money per sale, so that if you just get a couple of sales through these videos, you could potentially double your revenue from police body cam videos. And now we're finished with the video, so we can just export it and save it, and we're gonna get ready to upload it, but we still haven't got to the most important step, which is increasing the chances of it going viral using AI technology. But if you got any value from watching this video, then why don't you check out our free live training that we will be hosting very soon for completely free by pressing on the link in the description below. You will be discovering secrets that are very simple to 10x the growth on your YouTube channel, and the spots are limited, so you can save your availability by pressing on the link in the description below and locking in your seat so you can attend our completely free live training that we're just doing to give you guys more value. So right now I have my footage that I've edited in V.io ready to upload, and what I'm going to want to do for the thumbnail is just take a random screenshot throughout the video. So I've taken this right here. It's a simple screenshot, and if you want to add a little bit more flair to it, you can actually add some sharpness filter to make it more visible about what's happening. But I just took a simple screenshot, and then what we're going to title it is something like "Entitled Girl Thinks She Can't Be Arrested." Just like that, something that triggers emotion, something that makes people interested and see what happens. And then if you pair that up with the thumbnail, it's going to be a really, really high click-through rate. However, instead of putting in a description, instead of putting in tags, what we're actually going to do is completely skip all this, and we're going to switch over to a software called TubeMagic. Now, TubeMagic is an AI software completely dedicated to helping YouTube creators with their content. They have video ideas tool, video research tool, keyword research, niche explorer, video scripts, all sorts of options. But the one tool we're going to be using is the Warp Upload tool right here, which I think is TubeMagic's most valuable tool by far. And right here we can put in the link of our video once it's finished processing. But the thing is, TubeMagic actually scans what's being said within the video, and I believe that there's a lot of nonsense said within this video, so TubeMagic can't get an accurate read of what the video is about. So instead we're going to go to right context and explain our video. So a police body cam video about an entitled girl being arrested for a fight. There we go. And then we're gonna just hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is making us a title, description, and tags based on viral optimization on a model that already works, because TubeMagic's API is completely based on YouTube, and it's going to give us that too. And so here we go. Entitled teen flips out during arrest. This is a way better title than the one that I just put in. We could use that just as much. And then here's the description. Here is the tags right here. These are great tags. These are based off of viral optimization. You can just simply copy these and put them in your video. And you guys can get TubeMagic, one of my biggest recommendations for AI software, and one of the best AIs on the entire internet, specifically for YouTube, for 1 week, for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below. But as you guys can see right here, I put in the title, I put in the description, and I put in the tags that TubeMagic has gave me. But here's the thing, at the very end right here, we're gonna wanna put in a disclaimer. And if you go back to the sheet that I have linked in the description below, right at the bottom right here, you can simply copy this right here, and then just paste it here at the very end, and then change right here and right here with your channel name. And then now this will just be a disclaimer in your description, just in case, to make sure that YouTube understands it's fair use and that you've collected the body cam footage respectfully. This could prevent any takedowns by people featured within the videos trying to get your video taken off of YouTube. So by simply putting this disclaimer at the end of your video, it's going to help a lot. Then at the very top of your description, just make sure to put your high payout partner links so that people can buy through them at the very top of the description. And then you guys can get TubeMagic for $1 for 1 week by pressing on the link in the description below. And if you guys want to find out how you guys can completely change your game with one AI software on the entire internet, then check out this video right here.